What's up, Logan? Hope you're doing well. I'm just gonna go over this video and show you how you can paste your videos. So like what I'm doing right here, I'm gonna record this and I'm just going to send it right to YouTube, upload that video, and then copy that link and just throw it in here so you can see it. It's really easy to do. You can use either iMovie or CapCut. Um, Either one of those things. When you save the video, you can upload it straight to YouTube. I believe if you use CapCut, you could even like not have to save it to your phone. You could just click a button that says upload to YouTube. So I use that app and it's very easy to use. So that could be something. Because I definitely want to see those videos. Seems like you said, yeah, you're enjoying pretty much everything. Um, One thing you didn't like chest supported rows. Any reason for that? You're just not seeing it as good as like a cable row or something. One arm overhead extensions. Make sure you're not just like extending like this. You want to lock your elbow in place. So something I'll do is I'll actually hold my arm in place as I do it. And you can even come out to the side, which a lot of people like to do. You could hold both right here and just, but you're doing one arm. So you hold your arm out to your side. The cable is coming over your head and you're pressing out like this. If you hit it right, you should really feel a good contraction. Pause squat. I added that since you aren't hitting depth on your squats, so I added that so that you get to the bottom of your squat and you hold that for a second. I really want you to focus on getting deep. Um, so let me know why you didn't like that. You like tempo squats better than that, I'm guessing. Cable curl. It's understandable. A lot of people like using dumbbells. Sissy squats, if you're not doing those right, could potentially be harmful. But if you are doing them right, this is going to be really good for your knees, trying to protect and strengthen around your joints. Hopefully avoid any knee issues then, as well as it'll help you dunk a basketball if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, if you don't want to use the dumbbell for the shoulder ER, you can definitely use the cable. You could just switch right to that. You don't have to stick with the dumbbell. Tib raises. This is another thing for knee health. If you're doing them right, great for you, because no one actually works that part of their leg. So if you're doing those the right way, I'm guessing you're saying you're not seeing a benefit from them. But if you do it right, if you don't have enough weight, add some weight. You can hold a weight. These are really beneficial. Um, awesome workouts. You're on the way to hitting these numbers for sure, as looking at what you're doing. Shoulder strength you want to work on. We can add some more lower rep dumbbell shoulder press. Maybe even a barbell, but I don't like using a barbell because it actually doesn't line up with your shoulder that well and can cause some issues. Um, Glad you're seeing those improvements. We're gonna do another like photo comparison after this next 4 weeks. You can see where we're at. Um, and then yeah, talk about how you were tired even after your off day. You did it perfect to where you lifted, then you played basketball. That is perfect because I want your off days to be completely like rest. You don't want to stress your body out at all on those days so you can actually get full recovery. So you talk about that, Yeah, so focus on your recovery. Like this is, you really shouldn't, you should be able to have that full off day and go into on Monday squatting and feel completely perfect. So if that's not happening, then there's probably some type of issues with your recovery, which is could be your proper sleep. Down regulation after workouts, this is something that's really important. After you work out, don't just leave right away. Do a cool down where you sit for 5 minutes and literally just focus on slowing your breathing down. If you're not doing this, you're leaving your workout, your adrenaline is still going. Um, so your mind actually never like shuts down and is like, okay, we're calm, we're gonna go back into like not workout mode, which can cause a lot more stress on your body than you need, affect your recovery, also affect your ability to concentrate after your workout. So highly recommend after workout doing like 5 minutes of stretching and slow breathing to really slow your heart rate down. And proper protein intake, make sure you're getting a gram of protein per pound of body weight. Highly recommend tracking your nutrition at least for like a week or two, even just protein. Figure out if you're eating enough protein every day. I don't know what your current weight is, but you need a gram per pound. So if you're 190 pounds, you need 190 grams of protein. And use MyFitnessPal, you'll be able to figure out how much that is in a day based on what you're eating. And once you start doing that correctly, that is when you're going to see all your results start to come. Nutrition is really a lot of everything. But glad you're enjoying everything. Let me know what you think about what I said, and if you got any other questions. I highly recommend though, paste your videos into YouTube, like I'm gonna do with this, and then just throw the link in here. Let's keep killing it, man. Good job.